this way.
Hold up. Oh, whoa.
What?
The GoPro's gone.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gone then. Is the tab gone? What's up, guys? We're back at the beach. This time I got Joseph with me. What's up? Today we're gonna be taking the kayak out again, but we got a few other things that we're gonna try to surf. So let's get down there. Push it. All right. What are we doing upstairs? Come on. Uh-oh. We got some resistance. Lift it up.
It really slid back. Did you have to buy a new one though? The one I have with him is the most viewed video. I feel like I'm going to war.
You are going to war. We might be able to shoot that gap right in the middle. This is our first test. Wait. Paddle hard. All right, get in. Paddle on the right, get it straight.
What? We gotta get out a little farther.
I'll tell us when.
Straighten us out, straighten us out.
Oh, paddle hard! Paddle hard! Oh, yeah! Let's go! Oh shit, Joe. There's a gap to our left. Oh shit.
We're home free! We're home free! We're home free!
It's getting to sketch. Go left, go left, go left. There we go.
Can we turn around?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Turn hard.
Oh god. Oh, we're good. We're good. Oh.
lot of blue jays out right now. So it's about 8 in the morning. The next day, Monday, Labor Day actually, we found out the hard way that it's really hard to surf inflatable things. So we're gonna try to take the kayak out again today because we had a little bit of success with that. This is the aftermath. We had a crusty kayak, all the inflatables. I think if we were to rank the items and easiest to surf to hardest, the kayak was definitely the easiest. The second was probably air mattress. Third was, and a distant third was Raft. Raft really did not do that well. It was more of just trying to surf a bathtub. And last was Llama and Donut. Those were near impossible to catch a wave with.
Like at this point, if I don't wear them,
Let's go! This is brutal. Okay. Jesus. We gotta go. We gotta shoot that gap.
go left. Oh no, we gotta stay
Go straight. Hard, hard.
Straighten this out. We gotta straighten.
We got a gap. We gotta go hard into this one. We don't want it to crest. What the fuck? No!
How it feels to chew 5 gum.
No!
New 5 gum. Stimulate your senses.
Jesus.
We got some good footage though.
Yeah.
On that other one, I think. Alright, should we flip her or just go back in? Like,
We are out here.
You good?
What?
The GoPro's gone.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gone then.
And if we see it, we could dive real quick. But,
There's no way.
well, I can see the bottom right now. So I just want to look. Dude, someone's gonna find that footage. It's gonna be an absolute gem of footage.
It's pretty chill where we are.
I know. We found a nice little well.
And then give it the paddle. Uh-oh. Yeah! Woo! Whoa! Well, that's it for this trip. Got this thing out there pretty far. Got completely tossed off and we lost one of the GoPros. Not the end of the world, but missed out on some footage there, so you guys will just have to imagine that. But it was definitely a good time. hopefully we'll be back soon, maybe to do it again or to try to get something else out there like surfboards or boogie boards, skimboards, something like that. But yeah, gonna be heading back to Portland now. It was a good, quick 24 hours, but had a great time doing it. See you guys later.